Welcome to my channel. This you're seeing is called a rhinestone pattern. It comes in different designs, different varieties. It's already made. It comes in words, it comes in letters, it comes in designs. And these are designs. These are the ones I have with me. And I am showing you the different designs I have. It comes in alphabet, it comes in letters like 1, 2, 3. It comes in words like diamonds, I'm a star, I got this for as low as 300 naira, and as you can see, it comes in different designs. So I'll put this aside and I would be using this one, and I would show you how to do it. Now I turn my iron on and I put it on high heat, and I will show you with this already made clothes, already made dress that I have, and I'll be using just this one. Now next thing you need to do is pull out the back, that back thing that looks like a paper, and so you can get the sticker. Now I would go on and start pulling, and when you pull very gently, very gently. Now I would place that on my dress, and it's really sticky, so you place the sticky part on your dress. Now once you're done doing that, you place a very lightweight cloth, very light, and this way I can still see my pattern on my dress. Now just place your iron on it. Make sure you press it down lightly with just a little force, and you can also keep moving around so you can get all the edges of the design. Now once you're done doing that, you start pulling it out lightly, and once you're done, your design is ready. As you can see how cute it looks, guys. So you can do this with any type of fabric, any fabric, really, any fabric you have. Now I'll go on and do that again, this time on a black fabric, and I'll place the sticky part on it and spread it. Place my lightweight fabric over it, and I'll place my heated iron, and I'll hold it down right there, and I'll apply a little force. And as you go, you move around so you can get all the edges of the design. Now once you're done, you pull out. Now you see how beautiful it looks. See how lovely it appears. Now you can go on and pull out the whole of this and apply the design on your fabric, and it's going to come out so nicely, like plain pattern of rhinestone all over your dress, and it's going to be so lovely. And you can see it also blinks, and it's made with real rhinestones, guys. So I find this way much easier and cheaper than using a pattern board. Thanks for watching my video.